Forget just visiting. Let's explore why Old Town Scottsdale is the ultimate destination for living the good life. First off, location, location, location. Old Town boasts a prime spot in the heart of Scottsdale, giving you easy access to everything. We're talking a short drive to the airport, major freeways, and other parts of the valley. Foodies rejoice. Old Town's dining scene is legendary, from upscale steakhouses to cozy cafes and innovative restaurants. There's something to satisfy every craving, and let's not forget the vibrant nightlife. Shop till you drop, from unique boutiques to art galleries and high-end retailers at Scottsdale Fashion Square. Old Town has retail therapy covered. You'll find everything from Onyo-Faken treasures to the latest designer brands. Adventure awaits, whether it's kayaking on the Scottsdale waterfront, hiking iconic trails like Camelback Mountain, or exploring the McDowell Sonoran Preserve. Outdoor activities are right at your doorstep. And what about living here? Old Town offers a diverse range of housing options, from modern condos with city views to charming historic homes. There's a perfect fit for every lifestyle and budget. The vibrant culture is another huge draw. Art festivals, live music, farmers markets, and community events fill the calendar year-round, creating a lively and engaging atmosphere. You'll never be bored. So, if you're looking for a place that combines convenience, culture, and endless opportunities for fun, look no further than Old Town Scottsdale. It's more than just a place to visit, it's a place to call home. Ready to explore Old Town Scottsdale? Check the description for helpful links and resources to start your adventure.